Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Liza. This is Makeup with Little Frias, and I'm here again with another video of Marshalls. So if you guys want to see what is here, hopefully there's some good stuff. But I'm actually filming this on a Saturday, so I'm pretty sure everybody got the good stuff. So just thought I'd let you guys know. If you want to see what's still in Marshalls on a Saturday, just keep watching. up, you guys? All right, I'm out of Marshalls, and I'm just gonna point out that there wasn't really much there. So they just had like a few, they had quite a few lipsticks of Marc Jacobs, and they had foundation of Marc Jacobs, but the only thing is that it was the shade deep, so it's too dark for me. I mean, I want to say that's basically it. They didn't really have much. There wasn't something like where I've been seeing other videos where they're showing the Too Faced peach palettes or lipsticks, actually lip gloss, but I mean that's basically it. That's all that I saw. Sorry I couldn't show you anymore. Hopefully next time I have a little bit more goodies for you guys so you guys can see what's out there. So other than that, please like and subscribe, don't forget, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.